In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create departments in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. This is the main area where all of your team's work is organized. So before creating anything new, make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the department to live. In ClickUp, departments are commonly set up as spaces, which makes it easy to separate teams like marketing, engineering, or human resources, while still keeping everything under one overall company structure. Once you're in the workspace, look over to the left sidebar and find the Spaces section. Under that area, click the option that says New Space. This is where you'll begin creating your department. Think of a space as a high-level container for everything that team will need, including tasks, workflows, and team members. Next, enter the department name. Choose something clear and recognizable, such as marketing, engineering, or HR. Using a straightforward name helps everyone on the team quickly understand the purpose of the space and makes navigation much easier later on. After naming the department, you can add an optional description. This is a helpful place to explain what the department is responsible for, what kind of work belongs there, or how the space should be used. While this step isn't required, adding a short description can improve clarity, especially for larger teams or growing organizations. From there, choose the default permission for the space. This setting controls how people can interact with the department once they have access. It's a good idea to think carefully about this option so the right people can collaborate without creating confusion or unwanted changes. If the department should only be visible to specific people, turn on Make Private. This is especially useful for teams that handle sensitive work or internal planning. When this setting is enabled, only invited members will be able to access the space. Once those options are set, click Continue. ClickUp will then guide you through the remaining space settings. Complete those settings to finish creating your department. Depending on your setup, this may include choosing views, statuses, or other organizational preferences that help the team work more efficiently. After the department is created, take a few moments to organize it by adding lists, workflows, and members. Lists can help separate different categories of work, workflows can define how tasks move from start to finish, and adding the right members ensures the team has access from day one. With that, your department is ready to use in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.